Hi, to hard reset your OnePlus Nord free, we will need to open settings first, and here scroll till the end to go in the additional settings, and after that, on the bottom of the display we will see this option backup and reset. So we need to select reset the phone, and after that choose this option erase all data. Tap it. After that, if you have lock screen protection, you just need to enter it. And now you need to confirm that you are clearing all data. So after that step, you will need to set up your phone once more and all of your data will be deleted permanently. So if you agree with that, just choose this red button to erase data, then confirm, and after a few seconds your screen will turn off and then it will turn on again and suggest you to set up your phone. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.